everybody, it's your girl Urban Farm Sister. So today I set up one of the mosquito traps here on the urban farm so I can get some surveillance data on what mosquito species are present. A little bit about the trap itself. So this is the Biogents BG Pro. This is the top of the line mosquito surveillance and research trap that's out and available to the public. Basically, this trap combines a number of different traps into one, so it allows you to capture a number of different mosquito species within one trap. In the trap itself, on the bottom here, in this netted area, we have a lure that we placed in here. That lure is to mimic the scent or the odor of a human, and that's good at attracting mosquitoes like the Asian tiger mosquito. Or the barrel part of this trap, we have a fan on the bottom of here, and this fan is being powered by a battery. And what this fan is there for is that the fan, it pulls air down into there, opens this little trap door on the top of the trap, and if a mosquito or any flying insect goes over top of this area here, it'll get sucked in. And this is where we are capturing our mosquitoes that we're eventually going to identify. Inside of here is a net, and this trap has been running for about 20 minutes now before I started the video. And what I'm seeing is that I have caught some mosquitoes as well as some gnats and some other flying insects. So the reason that insects are being attracted to the top of here is because there is a tube that is producing carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is another lure or another attractant that mosquitoes use when they're looking for a host to feed on. Carbon dioxide is normally produced by you and I, other animals. When they exhale, we produce carbon dioxide, and mosquitoes use that as an attractant. In the trap itself, we have a bag of yeast that are carrying out fermentation, and as that process of fermentation, what it produces carbon dioxide. So that gas is being released from the bag through this little tube, and it's coming over top of the trap here, and it's being attracted to carbon dioxide attracted vectors. Again, this whole trap runs off of a battery. You only run it for 24 hours. 24 hours should give you a good enough indicator of what mosquito species are present, as well as, because we're using carbon dioxide, we may attract other insects that can't actually get down in the trap, but they may be around the trap once 24 hours are over, things such as ticks and mites and things like that. So, this trap is very important. This work that we're doing is very important because it's going to give us a good example of what mosquito species are present here in Cincinnati. Mosquitoes, as well as ticks, are vectors of many diseases, and people don't realize that the mosquitoes here are capable of transmitting those diseases if they bite someone that has them. So what we're trying to do in the Vector Inspector program is to teach people about how to control mosquitoes and ticks in their communities so they do not become victims of mosquito and tick-borne diseases. All right, if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment, or you can direct message me, or you can send me an email at nadiaruffin@agracademyinc.org. All right, I will talk with you later, and we'll have updates on the trap.